Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I have an unboxing for Operation Christmas Child in a Frozen theme. Now before I send this off, I will put rubber bands around it. So this is, like I said, a Frozen theme for a boy 2 to 4. And when he opens his box, this is hopefully what he will see. Right at the top, we have Olaf. He has beans in his rump and has the cutest expression with his carrot nose. And then he has a Kristoff doll. I bought these as a set to divide between boxes and my daughter's Christmas stocking. And I bought this last year. This is a Sven ball and it's like a slow rise, so a great sensory item. I found this at Dollarama last year. And then these are my favorite balls to add into the toddler shoe boxes. They are very durable and easy for the child to grasp and hang on to. And I just wanted to use that space, so I added a pair of socks and some thread. Now I added yellow and orange into his box, orange to represent Olaf's carrot nose and yellow to represent Kristoff's hair. He has two pullback cars. I found these at Giant Tiger for 50 cents. He has his bag of crayons, and I just wrapped a cute Olaf ornament around it, and he can use his thread to hang his little ornament up if he would like to. Inside are his crayons. I put them in a Ziploc bag to keep them protected, and then of course he can keep his crayons in his cloth bag. He has Old Navy flip-flops. I bought these for 97 cents. A mirror and pop-out brush. His soap saver, and inside there's soap, and I did add another one in. Orange jump rope to represent Olaf's carrot nose. A crayon and pencil sharpener. I put his nail clipper in there, and I will print off picture instructions and put them inside the sharpener as well. Now he has his tote bag here, but I'm going to save that for the end because he has something really cute inside of there. A play pack. He has stickers in here, and there's a funny picture of Olaf reading a book upside down. And I bought this last year as well at the Dollar Tree, and there's also a picture of Olaf in here, and he's reading a book upside down. So I hope when he looks at this book, it makes him happy. I feel like when you look at Olaf, you can't help but feel happy. Here is his pencils and his waterproof pencil pouch. A couple of them are pre-sharpened. And then I gave him just a few more stickers. A tricolor marker from the Dollar Tree. An orange eraser. And I gave him a notebook with a lot of paper in it. I like these. They have the hard plastic cover on the front and back. And I just put another pencil in the wire part. I gave him a customized coloring folder. Now I gave him that umbrella maze because Olaf is laying underneath a beach umbrella. Snowflake maze. I wanted to give him pictures that weren't just of Frozen, so I added in a fun wintry scene and a picture of a caribou, as well as a hundreds chart in the back. 2 toothbrushes. And now here is his soft tote bag. He could even use this as a pillow if you want to keep some clothes in it. He has a muslin washcloth and 2 pair of size 4 underwear. Olaf socks. And this is my favorite thing, Icy Stay Cool. I thought this was perfect for his Frozen themed shoebox. I found this at Old Navy for $1.94 in the clearance rack. Now it's a size 5'6", but I think it'll fit him eventually. And I just love that t-shirt. And that's my little shoebox for a boy 2 to 4 in a Frozen theme. Thank you so much for watching this. I would love to hear what you think about this box down below. And until next time, bye for now.